In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Discord backup codes. So before we get started, make sure that you already have the Discord app and the Google Authenticator already downloaded on your phone. Now, let's head over and launch the Discord app. From here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the settings icon. Then click on account. Scroll down and click on Enable Authenticator app. So from here, click on Next, and we're just going to copy this code and launch your Google Authenticator app. From here, also make sure that you're logged into your account. So from here, we're just going to click on Enter a Setup Key, and we're going to name this Discord. The next is we're just going to paste the key here. Then click on the Add button. Then next, we're just going to copy this code. Just click on the code and head back to Discord. Click on Next and allow paste. And once our two-factor authenticator is activated, just click on Add a passkey. We will be asked to sign in with our biometrics. And once done, you can see here the View Backup Codes. Just click on it. You will also be asked to log in once again. Now go to your email and look for the code that was sent by Discord. Now here we're just gonna copy this, head back to Discord, and just by that we now have an access to our backup codes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!